Looking to supplement your income? Online surveys offer a straightforward way to earn extra cash and achieve your financial objectives more quickly. Discover reputable survey platforms like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site boasts unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods. Factors to consider when selecting survey sites include their reputation, survey frequency, and payout options. To maximize your earnings, ensure you complete your profiles thoroughly, take advantage of free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Implement best practices such as setting up a separate email address, taking regular breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure a seamless survey-taking experience. Beware of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, including membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for sensitive information, and challenging qualification processes. Participating in surveys for money is entirely legitimate and typically takes around 15 to 20 minutes per survey. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points as rewards. Companies value your insights and pay individuals to participate in surveys to gather crucial market research and consumer feedback. Start earning extra cash today by sharing your opinions through online surveys.